In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively save changes in Elementor, ensuring that all your hard work in designing your website is preserved and reflected accurately. Elementor is a powerful tool for building WordPress sites, offering endless possibilities for creativity and customization. However, knowing how to properly save your changes is crucial in making sure that your updates are not lost. Let's begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, head over to the page or post you want to modify using Elementor. If you're adding something new, simply click on Add New under Pages or Posts, depending on where you're working. For existing content, click on Edit with Elementor, which you'll see when you hover over the page or post title. This action opens up the Elementor editor for that specific piece of content. With the Elementor editor open, you can make the desired changes to your layout, style, or content. Whether you're adding new widgets, adjusting the structure, or modifying text, make sure you're satisfied with the results after making these adjustments. Always preview your changes by clicking on the eye icon. This allows you to view how your page will look before actually saving anything. Remember, while you're making changes, Elementor auto-saves your draft, but this does not mean your changes are published or live yet. After reviewing your adjustments and ensuring everything looks perfect, it's time to save. In the Elementor panel on the left-hand side, you'll find the Update button at the bottom. Click on this to apply and save all your changes. If this is a new draft or a page you haven't published yet, this button might be labeled as Save Draft. Clicking this button saves your work as a draft, which means your modifications are stored but not visible to site visitors until you officially publish them. If you're working on a live page and you don't want the changes to be seen immediately, consider using the Save as Template option. This is especially beneficial if you want to reuse the design in other parts of your website or keep a backup. To do this, click the folder icon next to the Update button. Here, you can save your entire page or specific sections as a template. Doing so can be a lifesaver, particularly when you need to replicate complex designs or layouts. Finally, after saving, always double-check your work. Navigate back to your website front end and refresh the page to ensure everything displays correctly, as expected. Sometimes small discrepancies can occur, so this step is crucial. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through saving changes in Elementor, ensuring your modifications are both preserved and executed flawlessly. By following these steps, you'll ensure a smooth and efficient workflow in building your site. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!